Hello, welcome back to my channel. This video will be about the bend feature that I used on my latest video. So let's start. Firstly, you're going to have to add your OC on to your project. And then right here, you'll see this section. Press the effects. And when you press it, you'll see that you can add a new effect. Press on that too. And what you're going to do is press on the search feature and type bend. You'll see this pop up onto your screen. Click on it and you'll see this appearing right here at the corner. You're going to press the standard settings. There'll either be two options that will come onto your screen. One, that you'll have to pay for Alight Motion Premium because this is a premium feature. And two, that you're going to have to watch an ad. So since I already handled that, that won't pop up onto my screen. Click on it. This will be right here on your effects section. So what you're going to do is divide this into three with this tool. Divide it quickly onto three. After dividing this project onto three, you're going to press this angle feature right here on the bend effect. When you press it, you'll see this keyframe popping up right at the corner. Normally that won't be there whenever you close it, but whenever you press the angle again, it'll come back. So when you divide it onto three, you'll have to add your keyframe onto each section. After adding all of your keyframes, you're going to adjust the numbers right at the angle part here at the corner. Make sure for the origin to be on bottom because it'll be better for the results, but you can still change it towards your liking. After, you're going to press the angle and you'll see your first keyframe. I don't recommend it for you to change it or something, but if you wanted to change it, you can change it towards your liking. I'm going to leave that as 0 for now. After for your second keyframe, you're going to do your angle to 15 degrees. You can make it towards any number which you like, but I recommend it to use 15. Afterwards, you're going to go towards your third keyframe. And this time you're going to do minus 15. This is what you guys going to get for now. I know it may not seem as anything for now, but this part is going to be optional. You guys are not forced. Press this curve feature which is right under the keyframes. And press this. Add it towards all of your individual keyframes. And you'll see this as your results. You can change your keyframe towards your liking, but I like doing it like this. So hope this tutorial helped, and let me know if you guys have any questions down at the comments below. Have a nice day.